Okay, so welcome back, everyone. Now I'm going to take you through the steps to install Adventure Works sample database on Microsoft SQL Server. First, I'm going to open Microsoft SQL Server by clicking on the Windows button here, or just search SQL Server Management Studio. Yeah, I'll click on that. Okay, now connect. All right. So on the right, on the left here, the left area here, where you have that area is called Object Explorer. So I have my database server name. This is the server name, and these are the if I click on that icon, that little icon that has a plus sign on it, if I click on that to expand this, if you click on it again, it will collapse it. Now, I have a couple of things here. I have databases, security, and so on. Now, if I right click on databases, I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to click restore database. Restore database. So now I have this window. Now I'm going to click on this window button, this radio button rather, to the left of device. That's circle. If I click on that, I'll go to the right and then click on that button that has three dots on it. I'll click on that. I have another window. I'll click click the add button, and now I'll just copy the path here. So first, you want to make sure that you are in this directory. So you see what I have. I am under in this directory in my C drive, and then in my C drive I am in program files. In program files, I am in Microsoft SQL Server. In Microsoft SQL Server, I am in my MSSQL 16.SQL Express, and in that I am currently on the folder. I am in MSSQL, which is in that also I'm in backup. So make sure that you are exactly here. Okay, you are in backup in these folders. So now when you are there, you can copy this path here, this address here. So I could just do, if I click on it, I can use Control A on my keyboard to select everything there. Control A. If you are using Mac, I think that will be Command A, I think so. Then you right click and then copy. I copy that path. Now, if I go back to Object Explorer, and in this address bar here in did I say Object Explorer? File Explorer rather, File Explorer. Going back to File Explorer. So if I put my mouse pointer in this search bar here, and I select that, and I pasted what I just copied. I pasted it, and I hit enter. That will take me to that backup folder. It will open the backup folder on my Windows for me. Now I have I am able to locate that path now. So the next thing I want to do is I can I will now need to go back to download. Yep, Francis.
Hi, thanks. I am so sorry to drag you back, but I lost you for some minutes. Was it possible to redo the steps, please? I'm trying to follow you.
Okay. So now what we want to do is we want to install AdventureWorks sample database into our SQL Server. That is the database that we'll be using for practice in this course. It contains all the data that we can use for practice. Now, to install it onto SQL Server, you open your SQL Server, and then to the left area here called the Object Explorer, you have databases. So you right click on databases and then click Restore Database. And then on the windows that show up, you click on the who is calling us on the group? So wait,
I
are
think
we
it's
together?
Geoffrey. Geoffrey is calling.
What's going on? Is he not in?
I'm not sure he's in. No.
Oh, he has been on the wait on the outside waiting to be let in.
Yes.
Not only him actually. Okay.
Before you even talk of coming, I want to know: is he only on C drive that we can add the download, or we can put it on the desktop itself?
When you download something, it's going to go straight to your download directory.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we should just leave it there.
Yeah, just leave it there. But for record purposes, for if you want to keep it somewhere else, you can. You're talking about the Adventure Works file, right?
Yes,
And you can keep it in any other place. You
because
can
me,
keep
I
it.
feel there should be an easy way in of bringing the data now.
What did he say?
I mean, there should be an easy way in of bringing the data to the.
They just allowed me in now. I'm using my white laptop. Maybe they couldn't recognize the name. They left me for 10 minutes. So how far have you gone? I can see bringing data, not data.
So
Not
You
far.
didn't
please
lose
hold on.
anything. You
Please
will
let's
teach
have a
us
quick
again.
run on this thing. Let's have a quick run. We are recording it, so uh if you missed something, some steps, you can use the record. But I'm going to start all over now. So as I said, what we are trying to do is we want to install the AdventureWorks database into our SQL Server. So I opened my SQL Server. That's the first thing I did. And then on the left area here, called Object Explorer, I right click on databases. If yours is like this, you can click on this plus icon to the left of the database server name to expand it. Once it is expanded, you can click on databases and then right click on it and click restore database. So on the windows that shows up, you click on this circle button, radio button beside device, and then go to the right. Click on that button that has three dots on it. That will show you another window here, and then you can click add. Now on this window, okay, so first thing you want to be sure of is that you are in the right location. So for me, you should make sure that you are in the C drive, and then you are in program files. Who is that? Okay, so make sure that you are in C drive and you are in program files. And then in program files, you look for Microsoft SQL Server. I will expand that. And in Microsoft SQL Server, you look for my MSSQL 16.SQL Express. In that folder, you look for MSSQL, and then finally you click backup. Now, this should be, when you open this window, it should be automatically open for you. It should automatically take you to this location. But I'm showing you in case it does not. In case it does not take you to this location, I'm showing you how to get to that location. Now,
Okay.
when you are in that location, in the backup location, click on this path here, above here. You can use Control A on your keyboard. When you click on that to put your mouse pointer on it, you can use Control A to select it, and then right click to copy. You copy that path. So once you have copied that path, once you have copied it, you leave it as it is. Now we go back to File Explorer. You click on File Explorer to open it. Now, we are going to do two things. Okay, so now on Windows, it is easy for me. What I want to do now is first, I would put my mouse pointer on the address bar above here, and I will paste the path I just copied. I'll paste it, and I will hit enter on my keyboard. Now that will take me to that location on my File Explorer. Okay. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to have another File Explorer window. I want to have another File Explorer window. So to do that, on Microsoft, on Windows operating system, it is easy for me to press Control N on my keyboard, and that will create a new window for me. Control N. It's not working.
But do you know what is confusing me now?
What is
This
that?
File Explorer, where do you get it? You are
File
talking of
Explorer.
copying
This
the
is
thing.
File Explorer. This is File Explorer. It's on your computer. That yellow folder, yellow icon.
Okay.
You always see it on your computer somewhere. It is in the taskbar. Look at your taskbar. You see
Okay.
there. So
I
I'll
know some.
Control N. Now I'll press Control N on the File Explorer. So now I have two File Explorers. I just created a new File Explorer by pressing Control N on my keyboard. Okay. Now, on this second Control N, on this second new File Explorer that I've just created, I will go to Downloads and locate AdventureWorks that I have just downloaded. This is the AdventureWorks, right? If you have just downloaded it, it should be here. So I will right click and copy it. Now, after copying it, I will go back to the first File Explorer and then paste it there. Okay. Now that I have pasted it on the File Explorer, I will go back to where I left on Microsoft SQL Server, where we copied that path. You remember? So there's a button beside. There's an arrow button. It's called refresh. If you put your mouse pointer on that button is called refresh. So I'll click on that button to refresh this environment. Now you see it gives me the backup file, the AdventureWorks sample database file that I've just pasted. It is now there. So note, what we have just done is we copied the AdventureWorks file, and we pasted it in that location. Now, because we want to use it in Microsoft SQL Server, we now went back to Microsoft SQL Server. We refreshed that location, and the file is now there. So I'll click on the file now. I'll click it. I'll click on the file. The file is selected, and I'll click OK, and then OK, and then OK. Now I have database Adventure Works 2022 restored successfully. Okay. Now now let me confirm that the database is there. So I'll click on the plus icon beside databases, and indeed I have it here. So I have Adventure Works 2022. If yours is not there, you can click on this button, this refresh button here, to refresh it, to refresh your Object Explorer. So once you refresh, you check it again, it should be there. So now we have Adventure Works 2022 in our in Microsoft SQL Server. We have been able to successfully install the Adventure Works sample database file. Okay, Hannah, please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, sir. The process is a lot,
Very
so
lot.
I don't know where to start. So I'm thinking if we can be doing it as you are doing it, it will be fine. Because I don't even know how to start the whole process now.
Well,
Me, I don't even know.
we are recording this video, Miss Anna.
We know, but where can we get the new File Explorer? I'm trying to just know that place.
Okay, okay. Mr. Michael, this is
Yes,
my computer. Can you see my computer?
I can see your computer clearly.
Okay, so this is the taskbar. This area at the bottom of
I
my
can't
screen
see
is the
your cursor.
taskbar.
Can I see your cursor?
This is my mouse pointer. Can you see it?
Wait. Why is it not clear like this? Okay.
Can you see
I
it?
can see where we have meet. Where is that? I enlarge it. I can't see your.
So there should be a yellow box. Okay, maybe you should share your screen. Let me stop sharing my screen. Now, but before you share your screen,
I can't share the screen here because of the laptop that is down. I'm trying to see this thing clearly now. Where is that your cursor, as you said?
this is it. Can you see? This
Yes,
is it.
I can see your cursor now.
Now it is on the File Explorer. Can you see it? That is the icon. That yellow icon is the
Okay.
File Explorer.
Okay. So once we get to that place where you ask us to download, we will see that yellow icon, have you?
Yes. Well, I didn't get that question. When you open File Explorer, okay, the reason why we open File Explorer is to paste the path we copied from SQL
Yeah,
Server.
I understand what you mean by that, but where I'm just talking of where I can get that File Explorer itself. Am I to click that button where you get start or what?
If you can share your screen, File Explorer is on your taskbar. It should be on your taskbar. You can see that I have
Oh,
lot of icons.
I've seen it. Thank you.
Okay, great.
It's
Now, Miss
done.
Hannah, where are you currently? Where are you stuck?
So I want to start now. So I'm in my SQL Server Management Studio.
You are just starting.
Yes.
Oh, I'm afraid that I won't be able to take you through that step again. Please use the video. We are going to drop the recorded video on the group after the class.
Okay. Is there anyone who is in where you are in this class?
See,
I'm not sure.
Yeah,
Please,
I believe
Mr.
some
Idris.
people have Some people have done it, I
Mr.
believe.
Idris.
Can-
So
Yes.
because of how convoluted the steps are, the first file from SQL Server, I've not been able to locate it. That's the issue I'm having. I've not been able to even locate the path
The first.
from my server.
Okay. Wait, hold on, please. Well, has anyone? Was anyone able to? Is anyone able to follow and do this successfully? So, Mr. Taiwo, were you able to?
You are too fast, sir. So I couldn't keep up.
I
So
think to be on the safer side, we are
I
not in
opened
haste.
it.
You can
I
do
opened
it
it.
again for us. Then we'll now use
So I
it.
opened it
Let
up
us.
to I'm at restore database. That's why I stopped.
Okay, okay. Let me take you through it again. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay. So the first thing is to open SQL Server. We should all be on SQL Server now,
Yes,
Please.
yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, so please, whenever I'm too fast, you should have told me, just stop me if I'm going too fast, so that we won't get to the end before you tell me that going too fast. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to right click on databases and then click restore database.
I click. Restore
Okay,
database.
and then click this icon on this window that shows up. There is this icon beside device, that
Call the
circle. You click on it, you click on that circle, a radio button. Then you go to the right. To the right of that window, there's a button with three dots. So you click on that button, it will show you this small window, this smaller window.
Excuse me, sir. Hold on. Let me get to where you are.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we are there.
So we should click on device.
Yes.
Three dots. You will see
That
three dots by the
that
right.
small button, that circle button beside device.
Yeah.
You click on it, it will be blue. Then you go to the
Okay.
right.
Okay.
There is another button on the right with three dots.
Yes.
Click on that.
Okay.
Then you have this smaller window. Now
Okay.
on this
Yes.
smaller window, you have add. There's a button there's a button that is named add. It has
Mm-hmm.
add on it. Click on that add button.
Okay,
Now it
clicked.
will take you to this environment. Okay. Now by
Wait,
default,
my own is beauty. It's not responding. Okay, it's there now.
so by default, you should be on, if on this area here on the left, it should take you to this location. You should be on backup. You should be on backup. Now, I'm saying, in case you are not, it doesn't bring you here. In case you are not on backup, you can scroll up. You see what we have here? Let me actually. So this is what we have. This is C drive.
Okay.
This is your C drive. Now, when you expand this, it gives you all the directories in your C drive.
All right.
Now, the directory that you want to go into is program files. So you click on that. Now, once you open program files, look for Microsoft SQL Server. You click on that.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me,
Yes,
sir.
I'm with you.
I'm in the place where it's showing backup, but the other things by device is not showing.
Yeah, just stay there. Just stay there. Don't worry. Don't go through this. That's why I said, before I started this, I said it should take you to that backup. In case I'm doing, in case for, I don't know, for some people, it might not show them. It might not take them to that location. So in case it doesn't take you to that location, you can go through this step with me. So now, after Microsoft SQL Server, then inside Microsoft SQL Server, you look for a folder called MSSQL16.SQL Express. If I click on that, I have MSSQL. I'll click on that, and then I am in backup. Now, once you are in backup, you click on backup. It should show you everything that is in backup on the right. Now, it is fine if it doesn't show you anything now. That is because you have not put any database file in the backup folder.
Oga cannot
Yes,
see MSS.
yes, that's what I'm
report.
saying. It's not good. It's not going to show you anything. That is because you haven't put anything there.
Okay.
The reason why I'm having something here is because I have put something there.
So now that I'm in that Microsoft
Please,
SQL Server, I
please
have
hold on.
one
Please
point.
hold on. Okay, sorry. So now you are in backup. Okay. Now once you are in backup, now as I said,
Excuse me,
there
sir. You
should
say
be
I should
nothing
hold
here.
on. You say I should hold on.
Oh, sorry. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, please.
I say I'm in Microsoft SQL Server. When I open it, what I see is 110, 150, 80, 90, and client SDK.
Do you have MSSQL 16.SQL Express?
No, I don't have it.
Mine is MSSQL 15.SQL
But
Express. Yeah.
that means you have it.
I,
Okay.
I don't have my own.
Is that Mr.
Geoffrey.
Geoffrey?
Yeah.
Something might be wrong with your installation. Though. I will check it later after the class.
Okay.
Mm. So now you have on the right hand side, you should have nothing there. Okay. Now click on this path here. On the path here, just click this area. Click and then press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Ctrl A. That will select everything. That will select that path. Right click and copy. Let me do that again. Click on that path, on this path, then do Ctrl A to select it. Right click and then copy. Give me a thumbs up if you have done that.
Done.
Okay. Any other person? Hannah, are you there? Mr. Mike? Frances?
I'm following up.
Yes,
I'm still
I'm there now.
downloading my own data. I'm following up.
What about Hannah? Hannah, are you there?
I will do mine later.
Okay.
I'm there.
Okay. So now we go back to File Explorer. This is File Explorer. Okay, click on File Explorer. Now, let's say, for example, my File Explorer brings me to Documents. I'm in Documents. Now, you need to click on this area in your File Explorer, that search box in File Explorer.
Mine
Right
is in
click.
downloads.
If you are in
So
download,
I can copy
whatever
it.
location it takes you. If you are also in download, you can click on that area.
Okay.
So right click on that area and then paste. Whatever location it takes you, you can right click and paste. So now it should give you, once you pasted it, it will give you the paths that you copied before. Now press enter on your keyboard, and File Explorer will take you to that location. So your own might show you something like uh, click OK or something to allow to grant permission or something like that.
Excuse me,
So
sir.
click, yeah.
My File Explorer is showing desktop, download, documents.
Yes, just put your mouse in this area here at the top, and then paste what you copied. Forget about those things it's showing you. Any location that it takes you, just put your mouse here and
Okay.
then paste what you copied.
Okay.
Select, put your mouse, make sure you delete, or if something is there, make sure you delete it, and then paste what you copied, and then
Okay, done.
press enter. So if it gives you a box that is asking you for permission, click OK or yes.
Continue. My own is showing continue.
Continue, yes. Click on that to continue. So now that we have done that, with that out of the way, we are now going to make another file explorer. Okay, we are going to create another file explorer. So we have this one file explorer. Now to open another file explorer, we're going to open another file explorer. To open another file explorer, you can click, you can press Control N on your keyboard. Control N on your keyboard. Putting your mouse on that file explorer and press Control N. Now that has created another file explorer for me. Does it create another file explorer for you?
Excuse me, you said
Yes,
we should put our cursor on the file explorer, abi?
Yes, your cursor should be on the file explorer. Then you
Okay.
you press Control N.
Okay.
Like that. That will create another file explorer for you.
Okay.
Please
Excuse
let me
me,
know.
sir.
You,
I can't
yeah?
even see my screen anymore. I can't see you anymore.
You can't see me. You
But
can't
I
see
can
my
hear your
screen.
voice. Yes, I'm looking for the stuff down.
Is any
Okay, I can see you now. Where the file explorer? Where should we put the cursor?
have you opened another file explorer?
No.
Just on the file explorer that you created, where you pasted that thing. So just press. You can press any area here. Just press and then click on any area, and then press Control N on your keyboard. That should create another file explorer for you. So after that, now in the new file explorer that it created for you, go to where the go to downloads. I'll click on downloads, where the AdventureWorks file is. So I'll copy the AdventureWorks file, copy it. Okay. Now I have copied my AdventureWorks file. Click it, right click on it to copy it. Now I'll now go back to the first file explorer. Okay. where I pasted that part earlier. Okay, so I will now paste the Adventure Works file. I will paste the Adventure Works file like that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
After clicking the downloads, what's the next?
After clicking the download, do you have is Adventure Works database file in that is it in downloads?
Is in download there?
Copy it. Just copy it and go back to your previous file explorer. So now copy it and go back to the previous file explorer and paste it there. Once you have pasted it, Mr. Taiwo, are you still following?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you on track?
Yes, I am.
Who else is following apart from Mr. Taiwo and Miss Hannah? Who else is following by doing?
Excuse me, sir. So where should we paste it?
Hold on. Who else is following by doing?
Witness. Check him,
Okay.
Master.
All right. So, Miss Hannah, you
Sir?
in the other file explorer, you know, you have opened two file explorer now.
Yes.
The first one that you opened, the first one that has nothing there. In where you pasted that backup part, you remember?
Mm-hmm.
So paste it there. Right click and paste. Do you understand?
I should paste it anywhere here, or in
Yes.
that box.
There is nothing here, right?
Yes.
And this says Microsoft SQL Server, blah, 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 backup.
Okay.
Is that where you are?
Yeah, let me check it.
Just look at this heading
Yes,
here.
yes. You are
Are
right.
you in
I should
backup?
just paste it. Yes.
Paste it there.
I've pasted it.
Now, go back to, click on SQL Server. Go back to SQL Server. Now we are back to where we left. Right? Now there's a button beside.
Excuse me, sir. How did it go back to SQL Server?
You should be able to go back on your computer. Just look for SQL Server in your taskbar. This is my own taskbar. This is my SQL Server. This is SQL Server. Can you see my mouse pointer?
Yeah.
This is my SQL
Okay.
Server.
Okay.
So you should bring me back here. Are you there now? Are you there?
I'm there, but everything is blank on my SQL Server. It's just blue.
It should be blank. Be patient. It should be blank. Are you on this? Are you on this window?
Yes.
Okay, so click on this button to refresh. Click on this button. Do you now have Adventure Works 2000 and whatever you? Do you have it now? There should be Adventure Works 22.bak there now.
You see on the SQL. I'm trying to
On,
refresh. It's not refreshing.
click on this button here, this button to refresh. Have you clicked on it?
I click on it.
No, I can't.
But
I'm not seeing it.
I click on the refresh button, but it's not showing anything.
Did you paste that file?
Anna, maybe you should share your screen. It will be easier to guide you.
Okay.
Mr. Taiwo, are you there? Were you able to paste it?
Yeah, I'm trying. When I refreshed it, it didn't appear. So I'm trying to go back through the process again. I'm copying it now. I'm going back to backup to find it. I think where I missed it was that I didn't go to backup. I went to where my adventure works was straight away.
Okay. Okay, maybe let's do it this way. Let's do it this way. Okay, let's do it this way. I'm going to go to my local disk, my C drive
Okay,
on my file explorer. Click on this computer
okay,
and open your C drive.
all right,
This computer, open your C drive. Okay.
yeah, okay.
So
And program
then
files.
open program files.
Okay,
Then look for Microsoft SQL Server in program files. Have you opened it?
okay. Yes,
Then
opened.
look for MSSQL 16 or whatever number is yours.
Yeah, yes, I
Let's
found
say
it.
first. Open it. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Then open MSSQL.
Okay, I'm there.
Then
Backup,
open
bin,
backup.
data, and stuff. Okay,
Open backup.
it's empty.
The backup is empty, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, um, do you have another file explorer open? Okay, let's just do it
Yeah,
this
I
way.
have it. I have
You have
another
another
one.
one open. Okay, on the
Yeah.
other one, go to downloads. On the other one, go to downloads. Don't use
Okay,
this one. Oh, go to the other file explorer and go to downloads.
okay,
Then copy that adventure works that you downloaded. Right click on it, right click and copy. Are you able to do that?
yes.
Now go back to the first file explorer.
The backup.
Yes, the backup. Then paste. Then right click and paste.
I'm controlling the fight.
Have you
Sure.
done that?
Copied. Yes, I've done that.
Now it's now there, right?
Yes.
Okay, now go back to SQL Server.
I should close all the
Don't
backup.
close it, don't close it. Just go back to SQL Server. Click on SQL Server. Can you go back to SQL
Okay.
Server?
Yeah, it's not there. I've refreshed it. It's not there.
It's there now. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
click on it. Click on it. Just click on it. Then
Okay.
click OK. Everything you do after that is just OK. OK.
Okay.
OK.
Okay. Okay.
Now, does it tell you database adventure works restored successfully?
It's, it's showing failed.
Failed.
Restore of database adventure works 22 failed.
Failed.
Yeah. So
So
let me.
you might have to use the record and go through the steps again.
Okay. Okay.
So click OK,
Excuse me,
OK,
sir.
OK, dash, and it should be there. So I'm afraid we ran out of time. So Miss Anna, please go ahead.
I want to share my screen to you because I got stuck somewhere. I'm almost there, but I got stuck. But I don't even know how to share the screen on this team.
Okay. So there is a button here at the bottom that says present now. If you click on that
Oh,
button, so
present
there are
now. This one.
this one present now. Can you see it? This one. Can you see my mouse pointer? Look at, can you see my mouse pointer?
I see your mouse, but I don't have present now here.
There should be present now. This
Okay, I
icon.
see
If I
Adeni.
still
Adeni
forget
is
how to use
presenting.
this one. And you do.
You said what?
Click on it. Click on it.
Okay, share now. Okay, thank you, Francis. select a tab to share.
You should. Did you? Now you haven't click refresh.
Mr. Kim. Mr. Kim.
Mr. Idris.
Mr. Idris, are you done? This is where I'm stuck up. Oh. I'm just entering now. I was logged out before.
What did you say, please?
Please
This is where I'm stuck up.
mute everybody. Someone is making us in the background.
Hello.
Hannah, please share your server screen.
Hannah, you need to share your entire screen. Are you there?
Hannah, we can't hear you. You're on mute.
Can you hear me now? I'm trying to share the screen.
Okay. Did you share? Okay. Oh yeah, go ahead. Did you copy it?
Can you see me now?
You should be sharing your
We
entire
can see
screen.
your Google Meet screen. Share your entire screen and then go to your server query.
You can. You see, when you click on the present now button, stop sharing. Let me take you through it. When you click on the present now button, okay, it gives you have 3 tabs. You have Chrome tab or tab. You have window and you have entire screen. Use the entire screen. Use
Idris,
the
can I
entire
share my
screen.
phone?
Please hold on. Use the entire screen. Click on that entire screen.
I didn't see entire screen. I'm saying select a tab to share. Okay, I've seen the entire screen. I've seen it. Thank you.
Then click on that entire screen and then click share button at the bottom.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
I think it's coming up. Okay, so now let's where is your file explorer?
So this is where I am.
Okay. Now go back to SQL Server.
This is my SQL Server.
Okay, so now where is your Object Explorer? Where are the databases? Can you click on at the top left there? At the top left there where you have connect. Can you click on that connect again?
Okay.
Database engine.
I should click on database engine.
Yes. Connect. Okay, now right click on databases. Restore database. Device. Now it's there, right? Now click it. Okay. Congratulations. Okay. So
it's there now.
Yeah, you can refresh. Okay, just expand databases. Click on that plus icon beside databases.
Where?
In Object Explorer.
Which plus
There is
icon?
a little plus icon on the left behind databases. Look at databases.
This one.
There's a little plus icon behind it.
Beside it, this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, can you see Adventure Works?
Yes.
Okay, can you expand it for everyone to see? Now, click tables. Expand it and click tables. Click on the plus icon. Now, click on the plus icon for tables.
I'll
Okay.
click the table.
Now, these are the tables. These are all the tables in the AdventureWorks database. So this is the you can familiarize yourself with it. That is the database that we're going to be using for practice. So for those who are not able to,
Can I share my own, or I should go? No problem.
where have you? Where are you?
I'm on the micro. This is where I am. Let me share it to you.
Okay, Mr. Anna, please stop sharing.
Okay.
Can you see this where I stop?
Your screen is. Can you stop sharing and reshare again?
Okay. Are you there?
Okay, so
I'm here.
now have you pasted it? Have you pasted the file, the AdventureWorks file?
Where am I pasting it? I've tried to paste it. I can't see the new.
Go to your file explorer.
I should open another file explorer. I should copy this.
Just click file explorer. Just okay. You just copy it. Copy it.
I've copied it.
You've
This
copied
file
it.
explorer.
Okay. Okay. Go to your C drive.
Windows C drive. Okay.
Go to program files.
Program files.
Go to Microsoft. Look for Microsoft SQL Server.
Microsoft what?
SQL Server.
This is it.
Okay, so there's a problem with your installation. Go back. Go back. Open the second program files. Microsoft SQL Server.
Yes.
So, Mr. Geoffrey, you might need to uninstall your SQL Server and reinstall again. There's a problem with your installation. Yeah.
Okay.
Any other issue?
Yeah, my own issue. I saw a message. It said the database was backed up on a server running version
Can you share your
6.008.
screen?
Okay. Okay, let me.
That is water. Lemonade.
Mr. Taiwo, are you sharing? Okay.
Yes, sir. So this is the message I got when I tried to. Are you seeing it?
Yes, I can see it. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Have you cancel
Okay.
this? Okay, so now let's go back. Right click, databases, restore.
Your head again.
Ah,
Restore bad.
it's there now. The file is there. Okay,
Mm,
but it's not working. Okay, click on it. Click OK.
That's bad.
what else? Okay. I should keep on clicking. Hello? So it keeps on failing. So this is the message I got. That version is incompatible with this server, which is running version 5.15.0.
Sorry, I was out. Okay,
Okay.
what does it say? Restore database, AdventureWorks 2022 failed. Microsoft, what does the database was backed up on a server running version. The version is compatible with this server. Okay, so maybe you should go and download
You are very.
2019.
Okay. Adventure Works 2019.
The people
Yes,
is gone.
and
Okay.
try it again.
All
Now
right.
you know the step, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right, thank you
You
everyone.
lost.
So we are going to continue
That's
from
yours.
here
It
tomorrow.
is.
Please, let's endeavor
And
to
the charger.
install the AdventureWorks sample database so that we can
All
um,
your clock.
jump straight to practice tomorrow, please.
Okay. Please let us have the video immediately, please.
Yes, we are going to drop the video immediately
Okay.
after the class.
Okay.
All right. But,
Besides this, I
it
will
might
need their
take, it
service.
might take some time because Google might take some time to drop it, but that won't be long anyway.
We understand.
Yeah.
Mr. Idris,
Yes, Mr. Joffrey.
after the service, connect with me.
After the class.
Then now, so that I can see, I'm installing the Microsoft Server 2019 I installed.
Okay.
So I
Can you stay on the call while others leave?
okay.
I might call you later if I have problem or Idris.
No problem, sir.
Me and you are the same now. You are my brother.
Yes.
I can
Okay,
call
okay.
you even in
Mr.
the
Joffrey,
night.
I think we'll need to end this one and, and create another one because of the recording.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Thanks so
Bye
much.
bye.
And take care.
Yes, and you too.
Mr. Joffrey,
Yeah.
has the class ended?
Yes.
So what are we continuing tomorrow?
Yeah. We'll continue tomorrow.
Were you able to do the download
No,
and stuff?
I will link to Mr. Kim.
Okay.
I
I
will
just
link
thank God that
to
I was able to download it.
thank God for you.
Mr. Tomoyo has gone. And I like to gist with Simo.
Who?
Mr. Tomoyo.
Okay. Call his number now.
No,
If you
no,
have
no,
his number, if
no.
your own number is not showing, your number is missing in action.
Your number.
Your own number.
Okay. It's my Nigerian number that is there.
It's not even visible.
Mm.
Mm.
2 + 2 + 3 + 4 + 7 = 0 3 2 800
Once is what?
166 +2 3 4 7 0 3 2 800 166. Madam Toyin, I
It,
greet you.
it's not there, sir. It's not in the group. You're not in the group chat.
Well done, Mal.
Well, yes, ma.
Anna,
Sir,
you're not
Good
in the group chat.
afternoon.
I'm there now. My name
I,
is Annie. My name is Annie on the group chat. Annie. You will
it's
see
not in the group
Annie.
chat.
You will see
Okay,
Annie. Annie,
Oh,
I'm the
okay.
okay.
Annie.
We are using
Yeah.
a cover picture of somebody that does not resemble you.
That's my husband now.
Should I use your own now? Jane, only you get to
No,
husband.
because I'm missing my husband, so I used to put his picture there every time.
Okay, better come back.
It's my
Mr.
husband.
Oluwatoyin, Adenika Anna.
Mr. Hakim. Mr.
Yes, sir.
Hakim.
I do.
Madam Oluwatoyin, I want to be like
Are we through
you.
for the lectures today? I've been in
Yes.
and
Mr.
out. My
Madam
connectivity is very
Oluwatoyin,
bad today.
Madam Oluwatoyin,
Madam Oluwatoyin, I want to be like
Mr.
you,
Geoffrey.
Mao.
yeah, Hannah, you went to America. I'm here
No, I want
Oluwatoyin for Nigeria.
no
I want to
because
be like you when I grow
no,
up.
because she's an
Yes,
accountant.
so,
She's an
sir.
accountant, and I know that she's guru. I want to be like her. I know what I'm saying. When she introduced herself, I was like, wow. She's an accountant. She has been working for years, so I know she's my oga. I want to be like her. It's not if
That is an
if she wants to come to America today, she can come. It's not about coming to America. Okay, let me say UK. America is even hard to come because of the visa. But if she wants to go to any other country, she can come easily. She's a big woman.
Madam Adenika. Is she online?
Like she's no more there.
Mm. Agasa,
Yes, I'm with you.
how far now? You don't leave me go. I won't go chop.
Are you installing now?
I want to install. I want to install it now.
Well, have you uninstalled the existing one?
There are so many. So should I install all of them? There are so many branches. SQL client something. SQL sys. Eh?
Oh, yeah, okay. Let me
How
get
can
the
I leave this
command.
group? Oh, please, oh, how can I leave? I'm not seeing where to leave.